Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a mosaic mirror with a broken mirror. Yes, I have risked 7 years of bad luck to show you how to make a mosaic mirror. And instead of tile grout, we're actually going to be using FAMOWOOD glaze coat. I love this technique. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a mosaic mirror. I think the color of the unicorn spit behind the tile pieces looks much better than plain white tile grout. Don't worry about the broken mirror tile placement. You'll be able to fill in all of the little spaces with the smaller broken pieces later. Make sure to get resin on every piece of broken tile, as this will soften all of the edges and keep your mirror nice and smooth. The oldest mosaics ever discovered were from Mesopotamia and from about 3000 BC. Cover your piece to keep it free of dirt and dust and let it cure overnight. In ancient Rome, to avoid 7 years of bad luck for breaking a mirror, you could bury the pieces by the light of the moon or touch a fragment against a tombstone. I'm going to leave a link to unicorn spit and FAMOWOOD glaze coat, which is a 2-part epoxy resin, in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them. I'll leave a link to those below as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.